This tutorial will show you how to set up your Scholars at TAMU profile. Scholars at TAMU is the campus tool to make your research and impact metrics more discoverable. It's leveraged by those searching for research partners, as well as for promotion, tenure, and end-of-year recognition tools. From the Scholars at TAMU homepage, select the Edit My Profile button from the top right corner of the navigation menu. You'll be asked to log in with your NetID. If your profile has not been created for you already, you'll be asked to fill out a form to get you started. Fill in your contact information and department. Uploading your CV saves time by allowing us to add information to your profile. Click Submit to complete the request. The Scholars team will approve your request within 48 hours. Once your profile is set up, log in and you'll see the Profile Editor. If your profile was already created, this is the first page you'll see, which is the Profile tab in the navigation menu. First, you'll want to connect your ORCID ID by entering it in the box below your name. This will enable the team to collect your publication list. Then you can add your preferred title and add as many of your current TAMU positions and affiliations as you like. Next, you have a space to add your research overview and your research topic areas. On the right column, you can upload your photo and add any other contact information you choose, including websites and author's ID. Additionally, there are links to Altmetrics and Oak Trust for your convenience. Remember to select Submit Your Changes to save all the content you've added to this page, including your profile photo. The next page is the Academic Background section, where you can add your degrees and other training. Select the plus sign to open the dialog. Enter in your information in the required fields. Select Add Education to finish. Follow these steps for each education or training you want to add to your profile. The third page is the Scholarly Works section, where your publications will appear in a list. All publications with variations of your name will appear in the Pending Publications list. You can choose your publications by selecting Claim as Mine. For the publications that aren't yours, select Reject to remove them from your suggested list. When you complete that process of claiming and rejecting all the publications in the list, only your publications will be included in the Claimed Publications section. If you have any published scholarly works that did not display in the pending list, you can select Add Item to request each item using a publication identifier or the citation. Requests will show on your public profile in approximately 48 hours. The next page allows you to add grants and awards. To add a grant, select the Add Grant button to open the dialog. Begin typing the exact name of the grant to see if it's already entered. If it isn't, create a new manual entry by typing the exact full name. Enter in the remaining information and select Add Grant to finish. At this point, you have the option to make the grant public on your profile by selecting the Make Public button. If you don't want it to be publicly available on your profile, leave it as is. For awards, select the Add Award button and search for the award by typing the name of the organization that conferred the award. Complete the remaining information and select Add Award. If your organization is not in the list, submit a request in the Additional Changes section. The News page allows you to add links to media items that mention you, including news articles, websites, and blogs. Use the Add News Article button to open the dialog and enter your information. Finish by selecting the Add News Item button. The Courses page should list your current and past courses. You can also add courses as needed by selecting the Add Course button. The Works by Student page allows you to add student works to your profile. These are preloaded once a semester, so you may already have a list here. You'll have the option to claim or reject by selecting the Not My Student button. Currently, we only accept students' theses or dissertations stored in Oak Trust Institutional Repository. If you have additional changes or additions needed to your profile that aren't addressed in the categories listed, please send us a message using the Additional Changes box in the last tab. If you need additional assistance with Scholars at TAMU, email us at scholars@library.tamu.edu.